In this video, I will show you how to buy Dogecoin on Bitvavo. So if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started with Bitvavo for free and to not pay any fees in your first weeks. So this can be really beneficial if you're just getting started, and it can save you a lot of money as well. So feel free to check the link in the description. But anyway, let's dive into the video right now. So from our home tab, we are going to click on the search bar, and in here we're going to select Dogecoin and click on buy. And in here, select the amount of euros that you want to buy Dogecoin for. So be aware that there is a minimum of 5 euros or something that is equivalent to $5 to buy Dogecoin for. So you have to be above that minimum. So let's say I want to buy Dogecoin for 10 euros. I'm going to click on preview order. And now I'm going to click on buy Doji when I'm ready. And as you can see, the Dogecoin price will be refreshed every 4 seconds. And you also see that there is a fee included. And if you don't want to pay this fee, then check the link in the description to get started with Bitvavo to not pay any fees in the beginning. So anyway, click on buy Doji. And as you can see, the purchase is successful. Now we can go ahead and click on continue, and then our Doji will be added to our account as this is a Bitvavo transfer. So this will be really quick. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.